how to fix Valorant not opening easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first, just go to settings, just open Windows search bar here and type background apps and click on it. After that, here you will find the background apps. Now you will find it like that, and now you need to turn off all those applications. Now just if you want to turn it off, just turn off the first option and you will turn off all the applications here. Now just close this window and then right click on Valorant, go to properties, and here go to compatibility. Now just click run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7 and enable those two options, and now click OK. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.